Imagine a car that embodies the soul of Italian craftsmanship, the thrill of cutting-edge technology, and the legacy of one of the most iconic brands in automotive history. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a journey into the future with the Ferrari Vicenza 2025, a concept that could redefine what it means to drive a supercar. While Ferrari has not officially announced a model by this name, let's dream together about what the Vicenza could be. A fusion of Ferrari's timeless design, electrifying performance, and futuristic innovation. Picture this, a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that pays homage to Ferrari's classic models like the 250 GTO and the F40, yet infused with modern elements that scream the future. The Vicenza's body could be crafted from advanced lightweight materials like carbon fiber and graphene, ensuring it's not only stunning but also incredibly efficient. Every curve, every line, and every vent would be designed with a purpose, not just to turn heads but to slice through the air with minimal resistance, providing stability at mind-bending speeds. The front grille could feature an active aerodynamic system, adjusting itself in real time to optimize downforce and cooling. The headlights might use laser technology, offering unparalleled visibility while adding a futuristic flair to the car's aggressive stance. In the rear, imagine a diffuser that looks like it belongs on a spaceship, paired with quad exhaust tips that hint at the raw power lurking within. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, or perhaps more accurately, within its chassis. The Ferrari Vicenza 2025 could feature a hybrid powertrain, combining a high-revving V8 or V12 engine with state-of-the-art electric motors. This setup could deliver a combined output of over 1,000 horsepower, propelling this beauty from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed that flirts with 250 miles per hour. But the Vicenza wouldn't just be about raw power, it would be about precision. Ferrari's engineers could equip it with advanced torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and AI-driven driving modes that adapt to your style and the road conditions. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the Vicenza would offer a driving experience that's nothing short of magical. And let's not forget the sound. Oh, the sound. Even in a hybrid setup, Ferrari would ensure the Vicenza's exhaust note is a symphony of mechanical perfection, blending the roar of a combustion engine with the futuristic hum of electric power. It's a sound that would send shivers down your spine and leave you grinning from ear to ear. Step inside the Ferrari Vicenza 2025, and you'd be greeted by a cabin that's a masterpiece of Italian luxury. The seats could be upholstered in the finest hand-stitched leather, with Alcantara and carbon fiber accents throughout. The steering wheel would be a work of art, featuring integrated controls and haptic feedback to keep your eyes on the road. The dashboard could feature a futuristic holographic display, offering real-time performance data and navigation in a way that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a heads-up display that projects vital information onto the windshield, or a voice-activated AI assistant that responds to your every command. The Vicenza's interior wouldn't just be a place to sit, it would be an experience, a sanctuary where luxury meets technology in perfect harmony. But what about the name? Why Vicenza? Vicenza is a city in Italy known for its Renaissance architecture and rich cultural heritage. Naming a Ferrari after it could symbolize a blend of tradition and innovation, much like the car itself. The Vicenza would be a celebration of Ferrari's past, present, and future, a car that honors the brand's legacy while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It would be a statement, a declaration that Ferrari isn't just keeping up with the times, it's leading the charge into the future. Now, let's address some myths and facts. Some might say that a hybrid Ferrari can't match the raw emotion of a purely combustion-powered car. But the truth is, Ferrari has already proven with models like the SF90 Stradale that hybrid technology can enhance performance without sacrificing soul. Others might argue that a car like the Vicenza would be too expensive, too exclusive for most people. And while it's true that Ferrari's halo models often come with a hefty price tag, they also serve as a showcase for technologies that eventually trickle down to more accessible models. The Vicenza could be a glimpse into the future of not just Ferrari, but the entire automotive industry. So, what do you think? Would the Ferrari Vicenza 2025 be the ultimate supercar of the future? A car that combines the best of Italian design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive dreams. Until next time, keep imagining the impossible, because that's where the future begins.